Create the offering. Select In-Person Offering and click Next. Fill in the following details. Offering title, mandatory. Description. Learning outcomes. Category. Assign a trainer if a team member will be handling the training for this offering. Upload a banner image and introduction video. Specify the attendees who can sign up. Click Save to create the offering. Add content. Navigate to the Content tab and add the following details. Section title and description, mandatory. Assign a trainer if needed for the content. Upload media files, embed codes, or interactive HTML. Click Save to finalize the section. Define event details. Go to the Event tab and specify whether your offering will have multiple events. Define fees either at the individual event level or for the offering as a whole. If your event includes multiple sessions, set it accordingly. Add event information. Enter the event details, event name, time zone, start date and end date, start time and end time, country, state, city, PIN code, address and venue map URL. Click Save to finalize the event. Set fees. Define the fee structure, free, one-time payment. Specify the currency for the fees and add multi-currency options if needed. Enter the tax rate description, then click Save Fees. Review and publish. Review your offering details, including sections and events. Preview how your offering details page and content consumption page will appear on mobile app, desktop, tablet, If everything looks good, click Publish to make your offering live. That's all for creating an in-person offering.